Good morning guys and welcome to our official day 2 of our India vlog series. So yesterday sinamahan nyo kami sa Connaught Place and sa India Gate. So right now, tour ko lang kayo saglit sa aming napakagandang hotel. And if you really like the Indian vibes, this is Jyoti Mahal. And hindi siya mahal, in fairness. It's only around 150 dirhams. Take it or leave it. Or around mga siguro 1,500 pesos sa Philippines. And if my travel partner ka, tulad ko, kasama ko si Mesias, this will be divided pa into two. So, ayan siya. Complete naman siya with amenities. And ang maganda nga dito is yung kanyang setup, yung kanyang atmosphere na talagang very Indian-inspired. As you can see, ayan ang chandeliers. Dalawa yan, may pink, may green. And as you can see, the ceilings are really painted nicely. So, agenda for today, we'll have our breakfast first, visit some places here in New Delhi, and then drive for about 5 to 6 hours going to Agra. So, from Agra, doon natin makita ang famous Taj Mahal. Princess Jasmine, say good morning.
Good morning.
Okay, guys. So, yan lang guys. Meron lang talaga mga pag-traffic, may mga nangihingi. Good thing is, nag-book kami ni Mesias ng
Oops.
private car. Pag medyo na may mental block ako guys, alam nyo na. Hindi ko alam kung sabihin ko dahil
Loading tutut.
loading pa. So, yun lang. Pero generally safe naman. So, I would suggest nga talaga guys na ganyan, mag-book na lang ng private. Kasi if you're going to use yung public transpo, mas medyo siguro mas prone tayo sa scams, mas prone sa mga negative experiences. Pero kami nga is dahil nakabook ng private car, going to all the different destinations today, mas feeling ko mas safe. So ayan, ganito lang muna tayo guys for the meantime, and then later, we'll tour you around into those 5 spots na nabanggit kanina ni Mesias. Enjoy the ride, guys.
If you want to see the Red Fort in Delhi, you can. If you want to see the Red Fort in Agra, you can. Because both are same. And let me know how many nights you are staying in Agra.
In Agra, we're staying tonight.
2 nights.
No, tonight and then tomorrow night.
Tomorrow night. So okay, 2 nights we are staying in Agra.
Yeah.
Done. And 1 night in Jaipur.
Jaipur, we're staying there for, that's end our trip. We're staying there, I think, 2 days.
Okay.
The last day will be, we're still staying there, but it will be on our...
So here we are now, guys, entering the fort.
Lalaki ba siya, babae?
Siya yun. Siya yung mga sitawag nating hijra. So buti na naka-kotse tayo.
Ba naka?
Naka-kotse tayo. So ano sila guys? Sila yung mga transgender sa India. And then, they don't have any means of work kasi nga banned sila. So the only thing they do is to bless or curse people. Yun yung paniniwala.
Yes.
But then also they do prostitution sometimes para lang makasurvive. So as you can see, the plight of the LGBT is different from each country. Luckily, sa Philippines, kahit na medyo, alam mo yon, hindi pa rin fully tanggap, accepted, tolerated, yes, pero makita mo na sa ibang bansa, mas mahirap ang buhay ng mga kapatid dating LGBTQIA+.
You are talking about the transgender stuff.
Yeah.
How you know all the things about it?
YouTube.
You know YouTube.
Yeah.
University of
This,
YouTube.
this man, is looks like a transgender,
Uh-huh.
but is not transgender.
Okay.
And if who is the transgender by birth,
Mm-hmm.
they are not coming on the street for asking the money.
Yeah.
No begging. They have a special house. They have a good education here. And if you have any happiness in your family,
Mhm.
like a boy is married and you got the son or any kids, they come to your house direct
And to bless you, right?
to bless
Oh,
and
is it like-
singing and playing the music,
Mm-hmm.
and you are happy, you give them money.
Is it still happening nowadays?
Yes, madam.
But those who are begging are not really transgender.
No, sir. No. If the original transgender is cross the street,
Mhm.
and if they find him, they slap him.
So you mean to say they chose this life,
They are just choose the clothes and looks like a transgender. and
but they're really
for
not
begging.
transgender.
They are not transgender. Really. They have a big house. They have a good study.
They have like a space.
yes, space
like
and
decent
government.
place.
Yes, madam. And they are very rich. They're wearing a lot of gold. They have an expensive car. And they are doing the government job also.
So it changed over the years on how they are treated.
Ilaban mo yan.
Yeah. So I was asking if it changed over the years on how they treat the transgender here in
Here is a good
India.
man. Good.
They have a place. They get their education. They're employed.
Yes.
So I'm happy to hear that.
Yeah, and in the any happiness in your family,
Mm.
they are coming. All the families give him the good respect
Mm,
and
mm,
money and good clothes,
mm.
and then they bless.
Okay.
मैं वही खड़ा हूँ और बैग सेफ्टी से ओके जामा मस्जिद
Now going to Jama Masjid and
Spice
then
Market.
Spice Market, and then round and then red food outside picture and then back to here.
हाँ.
Okay?
300.
300 या 600 together 1 hour.
Per hour.
Bye bye.
Thank
Bye, see
you.
you.
So, ito na, the real adventure begins. So, nag-rickshaw kami for 1 hour. This will cost you 300 rupees. And then, so 300, 600. Miss Yes, anong katarantaduhan mo?
Welcome.
So, pinag-iingat kami. Kailangan daw yung aming mga gamit is intact. So, good thing talagang small vlogging camera lang ang dala natin. Para hindi siya masyadong obvious.
So, we started at 10:12.
So, this is the Red Fort. Ayun ang Red Fort.
Oh.
Red Fort White.
Red.
So, if you hear guys, talagang passionate sila dito sa bubusina. So, tignan nyo guys kung paano sila kumikita. Talagang lumalaban din sila ng patas. Kaya wag na tayong tumawad dun sa presyong ibinigay.
Magkano yung pinagpapatayan natin kahapon?
Mga 3 dirhams.
Sabi mo pag mag-i-intro tayo yung welcome to all
Oh,
the...
mamaya pa yan. Welcome to New Delhi. Old Delhi pala.
Old Delhi.
This is Old Delhi by rickshaw.
Ay, may pinakapukoy.
This is as raw as it could get.
I know, right?
Hindi pwede ito sa mayayaman kong friends. Magagalit ang mga mayayaman kong friends. Sabihin na, napakahirap na bansa nito. Shout out Tita Mel, shout out Sir Rod, miss ko na kayo. Pero baka hindi nyo kayanin ng India.
Hindi to para sa inyo.
Kailangan sa inyo pang mayaman na bansa.
The rawness of this city is not for you guys.
So talagang good thing na talagang napakaliit lang na vlogging camera ang dala natin. Kasi talagang pag obvious na malaki, other than nakakahiyang bit-bit yun, parang nakaw snatch. Hindi naman yung sabi sa atin ng driver na mag-ingat. Pero generally okay naman. Wag lang sana silang ayun, ba't may, ayun, may tumulak. Wag lang sana siyang biglang magkablot. Balik tayo din kay Kuya. Ayun, tumulak lang siya. Tumulong lang siya. Kasi natakot ako guys, biglang may lumapit. Tapos, biglang tinulak niya yung rickshaw. Nahihirapan siguro si Kuya sa ano. Ayan. So, isang oras tong ganito guys, ang view ninyo. Medyo masyubis ang mga pasahero ni Kuya.
Mga bigatin.
So that was New Delhi Red Fort?
Old Delhi.
Old Delhi. So saan na tayo dadalhin ni Kuya? Parang may sinata siyang spice market na.
Yes, yes.
Siyempre guys, just a thought, kahit saan ka naman magpunta, when you're traveling, marami naman talagang scam. Hindi mo naman maiiwasan yun. Siyempre, lalo na kung kahit nga sa mga, alam mo yun, well-developed countries, may scam. Siyempre, lalo na sa mahihirap na bansa. So, ang atake natin dapat gawin na lang is siguro talagang mag-research and then mag-book sa mga trusted partners para hindi tayo na-scam or iwas scam. So far, hindi pa kami na-scam.
Yes. Kami ang nangi-scam.
Kami ang nangi-scam.
That's planning. Okay, this is it. I think I need to capture some raw videos here. The real life.
This is as real as you can get. Sana gusto yung ganitong point of view shots, guys. Yung medyo hindi ako masyadong sasalita pero nakita nyo naman, tinutur namin kayo sa kung anong masasaksihan nyo pag nasa Old Delhi part kayo ng India.
Mayroong misconception, sir, na mayroong strong odor or
Oo.
scent, pero sa totoo lang wala.
Normal, may ganito rin naman sa Divisoria. Ganito rin naman amoy ng Divisoria.
Exactly. At saka itong lugar na to is para doon sa mga tao na, or traveler na gustong makita yung rawness ng India talaga.
Oo.
Walang, nothing fancy. Ito yung buhay nila.
No filters.
Yeah, no filter at all. I think it will give you reflection also na kung gaano din tayo ka-swerte and privileged sa buhay.
No, commentary on how we deserve better as Filipinos.
Oo.
Gusto mo yun?
Gusto
Di
ko
ba?
yun.
Kasi Filipinos are hardworking eh. So parang hindi natin deserve ng gobyerno na loloko at nanakawan tayo. So, ano nyo to guys, i-share nyo para mas maraming makanood ng video. Ayan. They are very religious.
Exactly.
Ang dami nilang mga small temples. Actually, nagturo ako ng Afro-Asian literature sa UIPS. Shout out sa aking mga estudyante sa UIPS. Andito tayo ngayon sa India. And I'm very happy to share na naikot na natin ang tatlong major countries ng Afro-Asian Lit. China, Japan, and India. Ayan guys, so
It's nice to experience. I'm getting goosebumps actually. Kasi hindi sa ano mo lang to mapapanood eh. Sa TV, sa documentary or mga reporters, but this one is a real life experience.
oo. And in fairness, yung takot ko kasi is baka biglang may mga snatch, wala naman guys. Although, maraming nakatingin, maraming titingin. So, syempre kasi, alam nilang hindi kami taga dito.
Oh.
Pero,
Pero walang bad experience.
wala
at
naman
all.
so far. Ang pinaka-bad is yung may mang lalapit, manghihingi
Yun
ng...
lang, oo.
Pero kung ano naman, kung magsisay no ka politely or disregard mo lang sila, aalis naman sila.
Oh, in fairness, may McDonald's sa gitna ng
Old Delhi.
oo.
Ayan.
This is for Old Delhi, main street, Chandni Chowk.
Okay.
Chandni Chowk Market.
Chandni-
Ito na
Oh,
yan.
okay. Good, good, good.
Chandni Chowk market. This is different market for saris, pashmina, silk material, scarf, for jewelry.
We will not go shopping. We just want to go around.
Not going to spice market.
No. Where is it? We're not going. We just want to like roam around. No.
Not going to spice market.
No. I don't think so. We have it in Dubai also.
Just go us.
Go, like, just tour us around,
Yeah, this is
then
enough.
Ay, ayun na sila.
Ano yun?
Ayun na, ang mga daga. Ang kanilang
May nakitang daga si Mrs. Hindi ko na nakuhaan. So, actually, meron nga ring rat temple dito, pero baka hindi na namin bisitahin yun. Hindi ko na alam kung sa New Delhi yun o sa ibang lugar.
Ayun kanya.
Parang ngayon ko na unti-unting naiintindihan sa ang essence ng traveling pag nagpunta ka, yung ma-experience mo fully
Mhm.
at makita mo fully yung kanilang buhay. You get blended sa kung ano yung buhay na meron sila dito you get the experience. Diba? Tinatotoo yan.
Kaya nga si
Kita mo, kita kaya?
Gautama Eklabumer.
Boom Bemers. Napagod at asa gusto niya tayo pababain.
Oo. In fairness naman kasi ang laki din natin.
Aha.
Ang laki din natin.
Huwag mo na ako idamay.
Sikh temple.
Sikh
Oh,
temple. Oh, okay. So ito daw yung Sikh temple. Sikh is a religion. Sila yata yung may mga turban sa ulo.
Yes,
no?
sila yun. Diljit. Oh, can I take a picture? Kasi dito kami napunta sa Dubai. Yeah, okay. Nakapasok na ako dyan, sir.
Sa ganyan.
Yung sa Dubai,
Oo.
ang laki yan sa loob. Gurudwara. Para siyang Quiapo talaga.
Oo.
Best
Description.
description is Quiapo. their own version of Quiapo.
Kasi dito sa India guys, marami silang types of religions. Isa lang sa kanila yung nakita niyong may balot sa ulo. Sikh religion ang tawag doon. Bukod pa yung Hinduism, meron din silang mga Muslim Indians, may Christians, Catholics. So, yeah. So sana na-enjoy nyo ang ating Old Delhi tour. Kung meron kayong mga feedback or comments sa mga gusto nyong makita sa India or sa mga next vlogs, please comment it down below para naman mapagbigyan namin ng inyong mga gusto. So sa mga old subscribers, this will be a better and improved Mr. Brian's vlogs, I hope. Dahil yun na nga, meron tayong vlogging camera. And I hope to vlog some more just to document yung mga travels natin. It was made easier by this pocket camera kasi talagang makakapag-vlog ka ng hindi masyadong very, alam mo yun, screaming na nagbablog ka. Para ka lang nakikipag-usap sa kaibigan mo. And then, nakaka-capture mo yung mga most intimate scenarios. Kasi hindi na namin nagbablog ka. Ayan guys. Di ba meron din tayo dito sa Pinas? So, isang oras tong tour namin. Tapos 300 Indian rupees. Tig isa kami. So, bale parang 600. Sa pera kasi natin, magkano rin ang 600? Siguro nasa mga
Actually, sir, parang
300 pesos to
parang
400.
siya.
Mahal.
Kasi, yung rickshaw natin kagabi, 100 yun. For 13 minutes na biyahe. Although ito kasi may tigil-tigil.
Personalized naman din.
Okay,
Ayan guys, lumalaban naman sila ng patas dito. Tsaka please, yung misconception na talagang, alam mo yun, madumi, delikado, mabaho.
Or rude. Wala kami
so
actually
far,
experience na rude na tao.
So far, wala pa naman. So, ang akin, kung gusto nyong ma-experience ang raw India, Delhi talaga. Pero syempre, nasa bucket list talaga natin ang Taj Mahal kasi yun naman talaga yung number
Most
one nila.
awaited,
Oo, most awaited. So, sunod lang kayo guys. Subaybayan nyo lang ang aming channel. And then after 2 days siguro, makikita nyo na ang Taj Mahal. Share nyo naman to sa mga kaibigan nyo guys para naman pag yumaman kami, nasama namin kasi travel. Malay mo naman, di ba? O, ako nasagot ng ticket at visa ninyo.
Ayan ang mga sari. Tingnan mo naman kung gaano kaganda. Oh. Yup.
This is the town hall. Old Delhi town hall.
Who's he?
Gandhi.
That's really?
Mahatma Gandhi.
I wanna take ito yung gustong pupuntahan ni Nariman.
Oo, yung Chatuchak. Chatuchak sa Bangkok yun,
Ayun.
di ba? Ano to, Chandragupta.
Brother, can you give, I want to take picture of Mahatma Gandhi. Is there any monument also of him? Is there any Mahatma Gandhi here? No more? Just one. Okay. Just one. Sorry, sir. Parang ayoko i-let go.
Hindi kita judge. No judgment.
Oo. Sabi ko, I love Mahatma Gandhi.
O sige guys, babay muna. And then mamaya na lang ulit pag medyo maganda-ganda na ulit yung ating view. Or gusto nyo bang ganito na ano lang, constant video lang para matour nyo yung lugar. And then konting chika. Tignan natin ang engagement ng video na ito. Comment na rin guys sa baba, guys.
Not in India.
Oh.
So going inside,
No?
Inside, is it free?
ticket.
Ticket, there's
No,
a
just
ticket.
maybe outside.
We want to just have one photo outside. How much is the ticket?
400 each.
Or maybe just one photo outside.
So going to up there,
Yeah?
the outside picture is free.
Yeah, okay. That's all. You will take photo of us, right? You will take our photo.
No, I'm wait here.
Okay.
Going to there, up
Just-
there, outside for picture,
And then come back.
come back.
Okay.
It's free.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Ayaw niya. Lalaki siya.
Outside. It's nice to see the biggest mosque in India.
Ingat lang guys kasi siyempre maraming turista, maraming scammers. Jama
Let me
Masjid.
take a picture.
Welcome to Old Delhi. The famous Old Delhi Red Fort. So, nagpicture-picture lang tayo dito guys. And then, sa Agra, meron din ako naman na ganito. Pabalik na kami. So, we decided not to go to the spice market kasi meron naman yan sa Dubai. So, ito na. Pabalik na kami. Still inside the rickshaw. So, magpipicture yata si Miss Yas kay Mahatma Gandhi.
Yes.
May statue kami nakita ni Mahatma Gandhi dito. So ano guys, pupunta ba kayo ng New Delhi or Old Delhi?
Is it your thing or not your thing?
Na-inspire ba kayo o natakot na rin kayo? Ayan. But don't let it hinder you from traveling India kasi one of the most underrated
Yeah.
din naman
Almost
talaga
take-
ito.
Can I take photo or is it allowed? Yeah, allowed, yeah?
Bababa ka ba?
Oo naman.
Tira mo lang.
So ito yung place of worship ng mga Sikh religion. So sila yung mga nakaturban guys. So free entrance daw to. Pasok lang tayo. Tignan natin kung anong meron sa loob. Formation. Take off the shoes. So, kailangan tanggalin ang ating sapatos. We need to take off our shoes. Kami kain na siya paturupan. Di ba? Ayun na si Mesias. Natanggalan na, inilagay na siya ng turban. Gusto mo yung patay na kuko ko? Di ba? Ay, papakita ko sana yung...
Yes, sir.
Di ba? This is nice. Okay. Let's go. Shoes. I will place it inside. Okay. Okay, please. So, nakasapatos kami kanina. Tinanggal namin ang sapatos namin. Ngayon, barefoot na kaming maglalakad. So first we need to wash our hands?
Yes, sir. And video only outside.
Okay,
When
no
we are
worries.
inside, then is no video.
Okay. So we need to wash our hands. And then only video from the outside, no video from the inside. Gusto mo yung patay kong kuko?
Okay.
Not inside the main.
So yun. What is this religion about?
Sorry?
What is the religion about?
Sikh religion.
Yeah,
Sikh
what-
religion come out from the Hindu religion.
Okay.
Yes, it's 400 years ago. I telling you the history about this. When we have the Mughal rules here, that time the Mughal rulers start to kill the Hindus people.
Okay.
And then some Hindus family they are decide that each one person from the one family they making the force, and then they big turban and the mustache and this bird, and they start to kill the
They
Mughals.
also-
And then if anyone is identified, they clean shave and cut the hair. Then no one is identified. So that's why. And after that is the main guru is Guru Govind Singh.
Okay, so they worship that guru?
Yes, Guru Govind Singh. Okay. So stop.
So nag-stop lang tayo mag-vlog kanina sa loob kasi bawal, syempre. We need to respect the religion. But natanong ko sa guide natin kanina, for example, if you are interested in, knowing more about the religion, there is an information center sa baba, and then they will guide you kung papaano siya. Every time na makakabisit ka ng mga ganitong religious site, it's always eye-opening. Questioning mo i-question mo yung religion mo and yung faith mo, 'di ba? Kasi sometimes people, they need to find ways kung ano nga ba yung tamang paniwalaan. Pero this one, guys, is really eye-opening. Na hindi lang yung religion natin ang pwede mong piliin. Napakaraming religion sa buong mundo. So ito daw yata yung open kitchen kung saan nagpapakain sila. Ayan, guys. Libre yata pagkain dito sa loob.
Hindi
So ito nga yung kanyang live kitchen, guys. According to our guide. So pwede kang kumain dito. Libre yung pagkain. And the kitchen is open 24 hours. So ito yung part ng kanilang religion. Gusto mo yun? So, exit. Babasahin ulit natin yung ating mga paa.
Yeah. Here.
Nasa New Delhi pa rin. So, pinababa kami ng driver. And then, just walk straight and left na.
Yeah, right.
Right, sorry. May hina sa direction. Tapos meron namin makikita. Libre ba to?
Yes.
Siyempre doon tayo sa libre. Yeah, doon tayo. Tabi tayo.
Ay, yan.
So it's a monument. Ang pangalan niya is Ugar sa Ins Bauli. So monument siya. Halika na?
Alam ko na po sila.
Ano ba ito?
Wait lang.
Ano meron dito?
Look. It's like in the film.
Ooh. Ganda din.
Yes.
So,
Only the
libre.
photo.
Libre lang siya. Baba tayo. Ipa-picture.
Sa baba. Or dito. Pag... Ay! Nalaglagan ako na.
Ng ano?
Ibon.
Blessing.
इधर
So, ito siya, guys. Nakuhaan ko naman kung ano yung pangalan ng place. So, share ko na lang ulit sa inyo mamaya. So, basically, para siyang pool, pababa. Tapos sa gilid niya, maraming mga spaces. So, doon nakatambay yung mga kalapate. So, kailangan mo lang talagang ilaban yung shot mo para may makuha ka magandang shot. para sa Instagram.
Pwede ba mag-moment ako sa click ng isa?
Sige lang, mag-moment ka lang dyan. So, ayun sa likod nakita nyo. Marami rin turista. Kaya kailangan, di ba ginaya nila yung mga shots natin, girl?
Totoo?
Oo. Naglalakad na rin siya, paakyat.
Ay, talaga.
Okay lang. Ayos lang yan. So, ayan siya. Tignan mo, pag ito nag-akyat din pa taas, alam mo na.
Nakakit din siya. Solo niya eh. Ito siya eh. I love this temple, worth the visit.
So, this is... Ano ba tong park na ito?
Lodi.
Lodi Park. Wala, ikot-ikot lang. Killing time. And then, isa lang itong pupuntahan namin sa New Delhi. Tapos nun, paaga na kami.
This is Lodi Garden.
Lodi Garden. Ang gusto ko makita ko yung mga Indian architecture niya. Kung anong merong pa-India siyang mga ganap. Oh. Ganon. So, ayun, meron kami nakikita sa harap. Mukhang magandang i-explore yun. So, this is a lover's park. Hindi para sa atin ito.
Sa true legend. Sa trunification.
Sa trueness. Okay. Ayan, yung building. Lalapitan lang namin, then picture. Tapos uwi na tayo. Balik tayo sa car. Yun lang naman yung siguro, no?
Wala.
Welcome to Lodi Garden. So this is part of the Lodi Park. Isang ikot lang kami ni Mesias and then baba na. Ano kaya ito? Was this a port or just structure lang? Sige, pasok na tayo sa loob para naman ma-tour natin ng mga followers natin.
Para siya Angkor Wat. Can you remake the Angkor Wat photo? Do you remember that?
What was that?
I'm like me standing near the like this.
Sige lang.
Or
Basta,
here. Perfect. I'll be here.
sige, pipicture naman natin si Mesias.
Kahit ako ba, di na. Okay tayo.
Nilabang ko siya, guys. I think I got it.
You got it?
Sige, tignan mo muna dyan kung ano.
Ako nga.
Ay, sa'yo eh. Mesias, tomb ba to?
Oo.
Is this a tomb? Yan siya, oh. Yan, ang hindi ko lang alam kung ito ay mga libingan. Pero it's in the center of the park. Going out of New Delhi and papunta na tayo sa Agra. So dun sa isang site kanina hindi na ako pumasok kasi bawal rin naman mag-vlog, so hindi ko rin kayo madadala, so useless din. Pahinga na lang tayo and upload ng mga videos. So this travel will be around 3 to 3.5 hours. So So, it's around 4 o'clock. 3 o'clock na. So, around 7:30 nasa Agra na kami. So, siguro hindi muna ako magbablog dahil wala namang interesting thing na makikita. Yan lang pag nasa Agra na tayo. Ano bang outro? Ito na yung outro natin eh. Parang ito na yung outro.
Good night na bukas ulit, ha?
Good night
Mga
na.
mahal.
Sana nakita nyo yung sa video, ilalagay ko dyan yung mga ilang shots ng Taj Mahal sa gabi. Hindi pa kami pupunta doon bukas. May isang day pa kami para pumunta ng Red Fort. Kasi, like doon sa mga nabasa naming vlogs, ang best time pumunta is morning ng weekdays. Sunday bukas. So, skip muna natin ng Taj Mahal. For tomorrow, punta tayong Red Fort. And then, sama kayo sa biyahe, guys. Bye! See you tomorrow.